Introduction to API calls.
APIs let programs communicate with each other to share data and services. When developers need information from another system, they send API calls. These calls can be made in two main ways, synchronously or asynchronously. Each method handles the request and response differently, affecting how quickly and interactively a program works.
What are synchronous API calls?
Synchronous API calls mean the program waits for a response before doing anything else. Imagine making a phone call and staying on the line until you get an answer. While the program waits, it can't do other tasks. This method is straightforward, but can lead to delays if the response takes time.
What are asynchronous API calls?
With asynchronous API calls, the program sends a request and moves on without waiting. It's like sending a text and continuing your day, checking replies later. This allows the software to handle other tasks while waiting for the response. Asynchronous calls are useful for improving performance and user experience, especially when responses might be slow.
Real-world examples.
Synchronous calls are often used when an immediate answer is needed, like getting a user's login details. Asynchronous calls are common for actions like loading images on a social media feed. The page keeps working while the images load in the background. Each approach has its advantages depending on the task.
When to use each approach?
Choose synchronous calls when the next step depends on the response and waiting is acceptable. Use asynchronous calls when you want smoother performance and don't need to wait for every response right away. Understanding these methods helps developers build faster, more responsive applications that keep users happy.